What's up guys, SoftwareGeek here, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Now today's tutorial I will show you how to download latest version Davinci Resolve for free. Go to blackmagicdesign.com, click on Products, Davinci Resolve and Fusion Software. Click on Davinci Resolve. Scroll down and click on Download Now button. Download Davinci Resolve software for your platform. I have a Windows PC, so I am going to click on Windows. Fill in your details and click on Register and Download. Wait until the software is downloaded. Extract it from Archive. Run Davinci Resolve Setup as administrator. Click Yes. Click Install. Click Next. Accept terms and conditions and click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish button. Run Davinci Resolve. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.